Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Today we're with Patrick here. Patrick, tell us a little bit about your car.
So this is a 2003 Toyota Highlander. Has a 6-disc CD changer and the cassette tape and the air conditioning one unit configuration. I like this quite a bit.
So what would you like to do?
It doesn't have a Bluetooth, so I would like to listen to my iPhone music on my device, on my phone, on my car, in my car. But then this car is kind of old, 2003, so it's probably I don't want to change anything, so I try to figure out I can do iPhone music through the radio.
Okay, so today we're going to show Patrick how you can add Bluetooth capability to this older 2003 Toyota Highlander factory radio with CD changers and the cassette player, but no Bluetooth. So we're going to use the Gizmo Guy Gadget to add Bluetooth capability to this stock radio right here. So we got the Gizmo Guy Gadget right here, and I'm going to walk Patrick through how to install Bluetooth or add Bluetooth to this factory radio. So you get the package, the Gizmo Guy Gadget package, and the package comes with a cigarette charger as well as the Gizmo Guy Gadget. So first, use the USB part of it to connect it to the cigarette charger. Then stick it into the cigarette charger socket. When you do that, you'll notice that the Gizmo Guy Gadget actually comes, the LCD actually comes on with numbers. So you can set this, by pressing the button for 3 seconds, and you notice that the little flashing light, and then you'll be able to set it to your to 87.9. So we use 87.9, so please press the button and set to 87.9. And once you got the dial, then you can press it again, long press for 3 seconds, and then the dial was set. Now set your car radio to match the same 87.9 as well. So just go to radio and set the 87.9. Okay, you'll notice that the static and the hissing noise went away. That's because the Gizmo Guy Gadget now is paired to the radio right here. So now all we got to do is set the iPhone to connect it to the Bluetooth, and then we're ready to go. So go to your iPhone and go to the setting and look for this Gizmo Guy Gadget. You'll notice that it says H162. That's the one that you want.
Bluetooth connection success.
There you go. So now we just add Bluetooth capability to this older car radio. Now let's play some music. So go to YouTube or any music that you want to listen to and play music. Now we just successfully add Bluetooth to this factory radio right here. You'll notice that the sound is clean, static free, without hissing. So this is the easiest way to add Bluetooth to any older car factory radio. You do not need to get a new radio. You do not need to do any modification. Simply use the Gizmo Guy Gadget. You'll be able to stream music, talk hands-free, as well as adding GPS navigation functions right from your phone, right through your older car radio, just by simply connecting or using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. Okay, so this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, showing you how you can connect your new smartphone or your new iPhone to your older car radio by adding Bluetooth capability to your car by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi, my name is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Over the last 30 years, I have personally replaced and repaired hundreds of car stereo. So now I know a thing or two about car stereo. So take my advice and I guarantee you will not regret it. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.